So whatever we're doing on WhatsApp is officially connected to our Google Drive. Okay, so for WhatsApp you can send multiple messages and you can send broadcasts. Okay, so for those of us that are doing business or we are dealing with multiple people, maybe secretary and all that, using a broadcast list is usually very, very effective. Because for WhatsApp, if I want to forward a message, can anybody tell me how many people you can forward to at a go? What's the least number of people you can forward a message to? 5. So
Okay, 5.
imagine you want to forward a message to a group of 100 people. You'll be forwarding 5, 5, 5. It takes a lot of time. But if we know how to use our broadcast lists, it's going to help us greatly. Now, broadcast list is different from a WhatsApp group. You know, a lot of people now, they are tired of going into new WhatsApp groups, except it's very important. Yes. So what we do is that you create a broadcast list for the group of people that you want to send a message to. I'll show us how to do that. For example, so it's not going to come as a group, it's going to come personally. So just come over here, you come to your WhatsApp and you say new broadcast. New broadcast. So for those of us that are business people, you can select the list of all your customers and broadcast list for them. So anytime you have new goods, anytime you have new orders, you can just send them, or you want to send them new month messages, you just send one message and it goes to everybody. I'll select the people I have here. I think I have Auntie Mabel's number, so I'll select her number. I have Mabel. I have plenty Mabels in this my phone. So I'll select another one. Let's just practice the broadcast. So instead of putting people in a group and you want to send them messages and you don't want to worry them, you just create a broadcast list and you can send them messages. All right, so this is the broadcast. I just selected their contact and the broadcast list is created. So I'm going to rename it. You can rename it. So you click on broadcast list info. All right, so the 4 of us are already in this broadcast list. So I can decide to edit the name. I can decide to edit the name of this group. So I'll just say change broadcast list name. So I can just say BDL3 students. So anytime I want to send a message to you people personally, I don't want it in the group. Okay, so I'll just go back and I'm going to send a message now. I've sent this in the broadcast. Now check your phones, you'll see that you've received them. And you can reply personally, it's not in a group. So you can use this for like new month messages to your group members and you don't want to paste it in a group. Okay, so that's one function in WhatsApp that most of us don't know that was available to us. A WhatsApp broadcast list. On normal WhatsApp it's there. On WhatsApp business it is also there. I'll click on it. I can always add recipients at any time. So I'm going to click on these 3 dots and you can go to broadcast list info. So I'll click on edit recipients and you can remove anybody or add anybody. Okay, so now I want to add Lady Anne. So I've added her and you can always remove anybody at any time. So I'm going to click on this person. If I want to remove, I'll just say remove broadcast list. So you can remove anybody from the broadcast list at any time. Okay.